Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most deceptive and dangerous threats in the cyber world, the backdoor Trojan. To understand this, we have to look back at history. Remember the story of the Trojan horse? The Greeks gave a giant wooden horse to the city of Troy as a gift. But once it was inside the gates, hidden soldiers crept out at night to open the city doors for their army. In cybersecurity, a backdoor Trojan does exactly that. It's a malicious program that disguises itself as legitimate software, like a free game or a helpful tool, to trick you into letting it past your defenses. Once inside, it creates a secret backdoor for hackers to enter whenever they want. So, how does this actually play out on your computer? It usually happens in 4 stages. First is infiltration. You might receive an email with an invoice attachment or download a cracked version of a software. It looks harmless, so you click install. Second is execution. While the software might actually work, it's secretly installing a script in your system folders. Third, it opens the backdoor. The malware changes your system settings so that it starts every time you turn on your computer. It bypasses your firewall and creates a communication channel. Finally, we have command and control. The Trojan reaches out to the hacker's server. From this point on, the hacker doesn't need to hack you anymore. They simply log in through the backdoor you unknowingly provided. Backdoor Trojans aren't just theoretical. They have caused billions of dollars in damage. Let's look at a few famous examples. First, there's Emotet. Originally a banking Trojan, it evolved into a massive delivery system. It acts as the primary backdoor for ransomware groups, letting them slip into corporate networks undetected. Then, we have Zeus, also known as Bot. This is a classic. It was designed to steal banking information by logging keystrokes and capturing form data. It created a massive global botnet of infected computers. And in 2025, we are still seeing modern versions like AsyncRAT. This is a remote access Trojan that allows hackers to take over your webcam, listen to your microphone, and even steal your browser passwords in real time. These tools are often sold on the dark web, making them accessible even to low-level criminals. You might wonder, why me? What does a hacker want with my laptop? The goals are usually threefold. 1. Data exfiltration. They want your passwords, credit card numbers, and identity. 2. Surveillance. They can turn your device into a personal spy, watching you through your camera or recording your private conversations. And 3. Botnets. They can use your computer's processing power to launch massive attacks on other websites. In this case, your computer becomes a zombie, and you might not even notice the performance drop. The good news is, you can protect yourself. First, never download cracked software. Those free versions of expensive apps are the #1 delivery method for Trojans. Second, always use multi-factor authentication. Even if a hacker has your password through a backdoor, they can't get into your accounts without that second code on your phone. Lastly, keep your operating system updated. Security patches are designed to close the very vulnerabilities these Trojans exploit. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and remember, if a piece of software seems too good to be true, it probably has a backdoor attached. Thanks for watching. Would you like me to show you how to check your system for suspicious background processes? Just let me know in the comments.